Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic AutoDesk Inventor 2027 how to insert image. So I will create for the new part and click start to diskette. Choose the top line. Now we'll move into the top view here. And if you want to insert image, you can click the image tools in insert and searching for your image. Click open and then click on drawing area to insert the image. Now if you want to edit the image, you can select the image object. Like I will rotate by using these rotation tools. Okay, select for the center point and then we can rotate like into 180 degree and press enter to apply. Okay, if you done, you can click here and then you can click finish cut to insert the image. Okay, that's it for basic AutoDesk Inventor 2027 how to insert image.